Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm teaching you how to build a spring snare trap. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is two sticks, about medium size, and you'll want to carve two notches, one on each stick. Then what you want to do is you want to find a sapling or a branch or something that's flexible and can bend. And what you want to do is take those two sticks from earlier and sharpen the end so they can be pushed into the ground. You'll take those two ends of the sticks and push them into the ground about 5 inches apart. Then you'll need some paracord, so cut yourself off a decent amount. And take another stick and tie it like seen here. Then what you want to do is tie your paracord to your sapling. Make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't come loose. Then about halfway down, take a smaller stick about 3 inches long and tie it. Again, make sure it's tight. Then you want to take that stick, put it under the little arch you've made, and with a smaller stick, wedge them in place. Then on top of the smaller stick, lay more smaller sticks across. Then you want to cover it all in leaves, and with the remainder of your paracord, you'll want to tie a noose. Here I'll show how it works. Alright, thank you for watching, and remember, if you like my videos, please subscribe.